culture and the Filipino identity alive?
So I filed more than, I don't know, since 2007, I think. Honestly, I thought I lost hope. And I said, okay, just one of 16 bills, but you urged me to hear it kasi ayoko na pagpilitan nga yung gusto ko eh. Kailan, when did I file this? 2007 pa yata? 2009? Right?
Yeah, in like 2 Congresses ago, ma'am. Yeah. Because you were senator and then you left and then you're back. So
2013 yata. I
Opo.
filed this.
Yeah.
No, but you joined me 2013, but before that, I filed it na. Mga 2007. 2007. Okay.
And well, we're also discussing how the Department of Culture could fully partner with DFA for our cultural
For cultural
diplomacy.
diplomacy. But
Yeah.
even if it's not created,
Mm.
we also help DFA, of course, for cultural diplomacy.
To the point, ma'am, where we could have cultural officers from the Department of Culture posted abroad, like our trade attaches.
Pass this bill,
Yeah.
but all the more when we have Department of Culture. If we have protocol officers, why can't we have cultural officers?
Yes.
Yeah, even now, we can. Okay, give me a proposal, Ambassador Feria and DG Barnes.
Okay.
If it's a matter of funding, so I'll fund it. Hindi plantilla, we'll make it a job order or local hire in certain jurisdictions. And we can have cultural officers. But even if wala, let's have programs. I've tried to create programs at least for various posts. Italy and Germany, and I have the Philippine studies in around more than 20 universities, so I tried to do my part to bring in culture into diplomacy. Yeah, we need
Okay.
more.
Assist on the cultural diplomacy.
Of course,
Okay.
I would be so happy. Yes, Chair Manalo, Chair Ino, DG Barnes, all of you, please help cultural diplomacy of DFA. Let's have a huddle.
Absolutely.
Not now, we're tired. And
We can call a meeting.
another meeting, I'll host it in my office, in my home, in my farm, whatever. Alika. Yeah. Or,
Okay po, ma'am.
sige. Pero ngayon, medyo pagod na.
And then we can that will go to the future of the Central Results and that kind of thing as well. So cultural diplomacy.
Rizal is covered already by our law.
Yeah. But
Honestly, I'm not happy with the way the Central Results are managed, how it looks. There's no
Yeah.
outstanding Central Rizal in
Exactly.
terms of how it's curated and the activities.
Ma'am, there's actually a hearing in the House on Monday for Central Rizal bill of Congressman De Venecia.
Yes.
We have Central Rizal under the National Heritage Act.
Yes, ma'am, but he's filing a bill and it's going to be heard on Monday, May 6, to how do I say this?
Spin off from NCCA
Or to really organize Central
Okay,
Rizal.
Let's see the bill. Okay. Because if it's a provision already in an existing law and then you want to excise it, we'll see. I'll check the bill of TOF. Okay.
Ma'am, just also wanted to add that the Department of Culture proposal is very important, especially with the heritage regulation. I do know that there are some overlapping functions between the different cultural agencies, and we can actually harmonize those overlaps so that there would be one office, for example, that is really responsible for the regulation and management of built heritage and all these other concerns.
And intangible heritage. as
Tangible
well.
heritage. So there would be specific offices and it would no longer be lodged in the different agencies, but rather there is already a connection between all these offices. So instead of having separate, for example, conservation laboratories or another, there will only be one main laboratory for conservation, one main office for regulation, rather than different agencies having their own offices for regulation.
Maybe even my bill on all my pending other measures can be under the Institute of Living Tradition will be under Department of Culture. Kasi ginagawa ko, iniisa-isa ko, dalawa lang. Yes. Our traditional folk arts will be under Cultural Committee. Culinary heritage will be under the Department of Culture. Even my local study center, which I want to set up, will be under Department of Culture. Music Development Council will be CCP and Department of Culture. Rondalia, baybayin, ang dami. Lahat nga ng aking inisa-isa ko, lahat na under Department of Culture. Sige. We take a pause? Yeah,
so-
Jeremy?
No, so thank you, ma'am, for allowing us to bring it up and for
No,
putting it on the agenda. Because
Thank you for bringing it up because I've been filing it every Congress. I did not feel I had the support of anyone except you and a few. I keep on filing it, and because, okay, what's different now? Different. Why are things moving? Because there's a Senate Committee on Culture
Yes.
and Arts. Wala that. I'm not saying that because it was lodged in education, arts, and culture. And education has so many challenges, higher basic education, early childhood education, ang dami na. I'm not saying hindi ginawa ng trabaho, ang dami-dami ng hamon sa edukasyon. So I'm so grateful to the chair of the Senate Committee on Education to have allowed or at least received positively my suggestion and the leadership, Senate President Subiri, let's create this committee because there's so much going on that needs so see. That's why we have this lengthy hearing. So bear with me, this lengthy hearing. Next time we held off with the culinary heritage. Can you curate our meals next time? No, really. Okay. We will have in our next hearing the culinary heritage bill first. Can you curate? Jam. Babayad naman kami. Oo, yung mga sinaunang pagkain, ganun, ha? Traditional Filipino dishes, breakfast, merienda, lunch. Ha? Oo, 9 Okay? Gusto nyo ang hearing natin saan? Dito ang pangit Ang layo naman sa Met. National Museum. Diba? Kaya lang, but everybody's here. Everybody, all my stenographers. Sige. Okay? Kasi dati, yung sa Department, para din alam nyo, I think 207 pa yun. Sinama ko pa ang Parks. Nandiyan ba kayo? Si Parks. Sinama ko si Parks under my Department of Culture. Sinama ko si Intramuros Administration. Sinama ko, tapos may mga lumalapit sa akin, tanggalin mo na ito, tanggalin mo ito. Ayaw nilang kasama. Bagay sana, no? Ganda-ganto. Parks, IA, under Department of Culture, if we have. You know, we're not permanent here in government, but the institutions that we create, it's a legacy. We should not think of turf. So, even in the Senate, look, hindi inisip nung chairman ng education turf niya, hindi. Sabi, okay, let's create this. So, see, look at this hearing we have here. Not just, usually you come here only when there's budget hearing, right? And then the culture agency at the back, 2 minutes or, depende. But to have this lengthy discussion, and we just skim the surface. Just TWG. Sige po, Dr. Nadera.
No,
School for the Arts should
okay,
be under culture, right?
Opo, yun nga po sana.
National Book Development Board also. Dami, under them.
Madam Chair, sa K-12, po, wala pang 1% ang kumukuha ng Arts and Design track. Siguro pag may Department of Culture, kagaya ng sa Philippine Science High School, kaya dumami ang Philippine Science High School sa iba't ibang rehiyon dahil may DOST sila. Siguro pag ang Philippine High School for the Arts, kung magkakaroon ng Department of Culture, baka dumami rin ang...
Para malaman natin, syempre pag nasa hearing, nahihiya kayong lahat Yung mga sang-ayon na sumakop sa Department of Culture, magsumite. Yung mga hindi sang-ayon, magsumite din para magkaalaman na. Kasi, kung ayaw naman, why will I continue hearing it? Or what we could do is, for those who don't like, because the secretaries may have their own plans, and that's not necessarily wrong, right? So, we can start with the agencies under NCCA. But the others that we want to add, we see, right? Kasi, minsan bihasa na sila under that department eh. Ganun, di ba? Although there are agencies of government na palipat-lipat, no? TESDA, DOLE, DTI, balik DOLE, ganun. So, okay. But these programs you're saying, gawin natin, even if there's no Department of Culture. 15 years ko nang paano ka lang batas to, and even who's under it or which is under it can change. Again, I repeat, I'm not imposing my bills or my views or the bills of other senators or congressmen. Has this passed on third reading in the House? No. No. Okay. Yeah. So, masalimuot. Worth it. Worth it. Lakasan mo pa, Chair Nakpil. No, how many are in favor? Everyone present here are in favor? Really? Really? Good. Oh. Depende. We see?
Depende.
No, I mean like
Hindi
kami
ka naman
naman, I mean
namin
like for
sinasama eh.
Design Center.
Huh?
For on behalf of Design Center, we totally agree that there should be a Department of Culture.
But you can
Um,
stay in
but
DTI.
Yun
okay.
yung proposal
Yes. No,
namin. But we always work naman with National Museum, with
it doesn't mean
NCCA.
that
So
when we create it,
yeah.
we'll start getting, hindi naman. Somebody just said that you should be under, but it doesn't mean it will happen. No, don't be scared. No. Yeah, we can work together. Like now, what I'm doing now really is a convergence of government agencies. Oh, let's see from this side. They're not raising their hand. No, you don't. You don't have to raise your hand. You don't have to be in favor. A Film Development Council, for example, can be under, but you don't have to. For all you know, it won't happen. We just want to hear. And we also want to hear why it should not be. Right? Shalimar would want to stay with DOT, of course. Yeah. In there. Oh, it doesn't mean it necessarily will happen. We just want to hear opinions. Oh, hanggang 2028 pa here. Sige, let's make it happen. Lakasan mo. On record.
Sabi ko, while you're there, it will happen. Yeah, it will happen.
Yes, ma'am. What I was thinking of is that so many agencies of government are doing something in culture and the arts. DFA, they have the UNESCO National Commission. The Department of Trade, everything, prepare a total plan so that participation in Venice Biennale, all of these cultural activities could be basically planned, orchestrated, and controlled eventually by a Department of Culture, which is missing now. So it's the planning and orchestration of the various agencies that I think is missing, which could be done by the department.
Even without the creation of the department, we've created programs and participation globally without a department. Venice Biennale happened since 2012 and 2015. Katang isip, di ba? We can make it happen, but it would be easier, more efficient, more effective if we had that Department of Culture. But again, we will not force, ayan ha, yung mga hindi nag-raise hand, we will not force government, departments, bureaus, agencies to join kung ayaw. It's a democracy. Kailangan consensual kung ayaw nila. At siyempre yung kanilang mga secretary, this could even be beyond our terms. But I want it to happen this year. And this year, but we will see kung anong kasama. Yung mga ayaw, huwag pipilitin. Kaya mag-submit kayong lahat. IA, pa kayo. Sino pa? Basta lahat. Si Nayong, si High School for the Arts. Yung mga ayaw, okay lang. Makikinig tayo. At saka, hindi man permanente yung mga posisyon nating lahat eh. Kanina ka pa. Sige. May session na raw. Yes. Kanina pa. So, please submit in papers on all bills discussed. And all agencies concerned with that specific bill will participate in the technical working group. The Department of Culture would be not just select, but everyone and more than those present here. Please give us the authorized position of your agency, because you may want to join, but your secretary may not view it as such. And there has to be consultation within your agency, right? So, and we will also consult. Hindi lang ito magiging batas, tapos na. Oh, na-reorganize na tayo, ayaw namin. Hindi mangyayari na ako yung nakikinig sa tao. Okay? So, we want it to happen this year, 2025. Sorry, my mind kasi 2024, so we can provide the funding for 2025, if it's possible. 15 years na ako nag-file nito. Okay.
If I may, ma'am, that would really, really be worth the effort. And we're all willing to do our part sa NCCA family, for sure.
Okay. What's a disadvantage? Mean that every bureau agency doing cultural work could be under. The Department of Culture will assist various departments in mainstreaming history, arts, culture in their departments. Right? So hindi ibig sabihin lahat maa-under. Lahat naman pwede naman tumutulong convergence.
No, we look to the other great departmental families, DOT family, DepEd family. As you know, like National Museum is in two families, like DepEd and NCCA family. We see how departmental level structures and reach can really make a difference. Yeah, DOST family is also a potential model. DNR family. And we really think that culture and cultural assets, resources, justify us taking that same place with the other.
But
with the others.
One disadvantage, as we mentioned earlier, was that it might lead to a prescribed concept of culture as dictated by the administration. But I think there are ways to go around to make sure that doesn't happen.
What would the difference of the present setup of NCCA and a Department of Culture lead to a prescribed definition or programs of culture?
Precisely, as a commission, the NCCA is much more consultative. It's it is required to be consultative. We have all the different agencies on our board, and we have the committee system, no, so that it allows for more transparency. Yeah, that's why we.
And the agencies will not be abolished because they'll be attached agencies.
Precisely. But
we're just strengthening it.
Exactly. So that's precisely what we should make sure happens, and not the other way around.
The hearing today, suspend the muna, because we have 10 other bills to tackle.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I appreciate your staying
Thank you so
on
much. Thank you.
for ilang oras? 5? 6 years. Thank you. Pinapalakpakan natin sarili natin. Yeah, so much to do. You'll announce we'll contact them for PWG.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Last na, sinong gusto magsalita? Hindi nagsalita pa.
Madam Chair.
Library.
Yes, Madam Chair. I would just like to express our support sa Department of Culture, but the reason why I want to talk is to remind you, Madam Chair, that the National Library is the only cultural agency that has no charter. So we submitted our proposal last January, and not yet, Madam Chair, but there's a version of Conct of the Venetia filed sa House. Yes. Yun lang, Madam.
Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Sorry for that. Ngayon taon lang ito. Why didn't you give it to me in my third term?
There's a version, we submitted our proposal, Madam Chair, but it was not, we were not called.
The bill?
Yeah, it was not filed, Madam Chair. Even sa House, hindi na filed din yung last.
Buti na lang, nag-fourth term ako. Sorry. Sige, thank you. Thank
Yes,
you.
Madam Chair.
Mr. Kalugay, saan po kayo?
Good afternoon, Madam Chair. From the Career Executive Service Board.
Sang-ayon pa sa ginagawa namin?
Actually, ma'am, we're not in a position to answer that question, but we're interested in the formation of the bill as it evolves into a law.
Bigyan po nyo yung suggestions nyo para hindi maging layer ng bureaucracy. Kasi hindi naman siya layer. Pinapatibay lang. Hindi naman nag-create ng bagong ahensya eh. Yung NCCA ginagawang departamento.
Just a brief reaction. When we were studying the draft bill, we noticed that there should be a certitude as to the number of secretaries and assistant secretaries and then other CS positions as defined by EO 292. It makes the job of CES board and DBM easier because our job is to classify which of these positions belong to the Career Executive Service. And also, we will be very happy to assist the department when it's formed. When there will be questions about the inclusion of certain executive positions in the Career Executive Service. Number two, we are launching in May in partnership with NCCA our CES Lugom Dayaw. It's a learning and culture exposure program, which is a first in the executive service because we want to increase the history, arts, and culture quotients of public managers and executives apart from the hard strategic leadership and management competencies, because we want to aim for the holistic development of our executives. At the same time, get them more involved in policy making, in program implementation.
Say it again. You want to improve the history, arts, and culture
quotient HAC quotient of our executives and public managers, because we don't have that in the curriculum for our training programs.
How are you going to do it? How will you include it in the curriculum?
We're starting off with a model design in May. We're looking at Kapampangan spirituality, and we want to expose our executives to a 2-day exposure awareness building